going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're in my 1991 Mazda Miata. This thing has been garaged for the last like 2 or 3 months, and it feels like I haven't driven it in forever. So today, as you saw from the title of today's video, we're gonna be trying to hit the top speed of this 1991 Miata. The speedometer goes to 140. We will not be getting anywhere near 140 today, but we're gonna cruise down to Mexico. We're gonna see just how far up the speedometer we can get. I'm assuming like just around 100 probably, because, you know, I mean, it's a 5-speed. If we had 6 gears, probably more, like maybe like 120 or something, but only a 5-speed, so I'm gonna say only around 100 or something, maybe 105 if we're really pushing it, but we're gonna see. Pop-up headlights. Love the pop-up headlights, but we'll definitely need those down while we're trying to hit the top speed because aerodynamics, you guys, it's literally functional aero. But look at this thing. A little overview before we hit the road. 123K miles on the clock. I bought this car at 96K miles for 2,000 bucks. Seriously, the deal of the century. I ended up putting these RPF ones on about 1.5 years ago, wrapped them in some hand-cooked tires. The whole setup cost me about 16, 17, maybe 1,800 after the alignment and everything, but honestly, one of the best mods I've ever done to a car because these are 15x8 on all 4 corners, and I'm telling you, this thing sticks in any gear around any corner, and it just defies physics in my opinion. So stock suspension, I feel like it fills the wheel wells really well. Definitely need to put some coilovers on this thing, but for right now it does the job and it's amazing. So we're gonna take this thing for a cruise. Top speed, you already heard. I personally cannot wait, to be honest with you. All right, let's do it. Here in the 1991 Miata. This thing is seriously a go-kart that somehow is street legal. I'm telling you. It's because it's so light. This car comes in, I'm not sure about the later models, but this one comes in at 2,100 pounds. That is extremely light. My 350Zs are coming in at probably like around 3,400, so almost 60% more than what this thing weighs. So you really feel it in the corners, I'm telling you. All right. Let's drop these headlights, put these windows up. We need all the aero we can get out here in Mexico. Luckily, living in Southern California, it's not too far. All right, 4th gear. Let's gas it. 5th gear, I'm pinned. Oh, we got a red light, Top speed run. Into 4th. Into 5th. I'm pinned. Can we even get there? We can't. 5,000. That was 100. Hey, we'll take it. I bet if we stayed in it, we could have made it. We could theoretically go back the other way and try again. Should we do it? All right, I think I'll flip it right here. Before we hit max, I have to mention, you guys, the merch is available. Check it out. It's on the website right now. There's a Black Friday sale going on until the end of next week. So check it out on the website. We got the signature black Johnny long sleeve. Let's get some downshifts in here. Flooring it. Oh, we got another red light. Now see, I would turn the AC on because it's getting kind of warm in here, but we would lose like 40% of our horsepower. So, oh shoot, he wants to race. Let's get him. Oh my God. We're gaining. Yeah. As slow as the Miata is, it is just so much fun. I'm gassing it. Staying pinned. Shifting. We're in it. Taking the corner. Here we go. 5,000. Just under 100. Hey, just barely getting to 100 miles an hour out here, but super fun. Compared to the Z, the Miata, it feels like we're going 200 miles an hour. I think it's just the soft top, honestly. The really big tires, I think, help a lot with like the stability at higher speeds, but this thing is already so aerodynamic, especially with the headlights down. But quick little outing to Mexico. Let's get back to town. I'll see you guys in a second. All right. Back into town. I've always wanted to drive down this street right here, and you guys are coming with me for the first time. So they've got these huge palm trees here. It literally looks like, leads to like a palace or something, I'm telling you. Look at this. Windshield's kind of dirty, but hey. Man, I just love these palm trees, man. Ooh, let's go left. Oh, we got a sweet 370Z. 2 colors. Sheesh, that's nice. Looks like he's in the process of wrapping that thing. Looks like a turquoise blue. That's gonna be so cool. Look at this lake though. Sweet lake. The water, so cool. Let's go back the other way. Thinking back to the top speed run just now, I will say, so online it says the top speed's around 112 miles an hour. Palm trees, so cool. And we got to about 100, so I would say with enough space, I think we could get there. It would be pushing it though, I would tell you, we'd be pushing it. Jeez, like a sewing machine. Well, I'd say after that top speed run, we probably need an oil change and to top off the oil for sure. So, all right, so I need some serious help in the comment section down below. What do you want to see done to the Miata? If you want to see more videos with the Miata, let me know. We could do whatever. I just don't really know. I don't want to do like ricey mods, so I think a hard top would be super cool if we could find one, but seriously, I'm telling you guys, every mod I have in mind for all of my cars is just thousands and thousands of dollars. Like a hard top is like 2 grand. Bags for the Red Z would be so sweet, but that's gonna be like 3 grand minimum. So let me know in the comments what you want to see done. I think this thing needs some suspension, honestly. Although the stock suspension does a good job, I do feel like we're missing out on a little bit of performance with better suspension. So let me know in the comments what you think. Check out the merch down below. It'll be the first link down in the description. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Miata videos just like this one. We could do all types of challenges, and I'm so excited to start driving this thing more. So anyways, once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.